Hello, welcome back. This is Muhammad Abdul Qayyum. In this video, in our previous video, I show you how to customize your navigation menu color and header color yourself using CSS. And in this video, I am going to show you more interesting something like we can change. You can change the color user-wise. That means when a user login in this application, he will be see a color, but when different or other user login, then different user will be see different color. Example, here's I am login with Shubham user, so I am watching this color. If I log out and I am using with my other user called IT admin, then IT admin is facing different color. He is watching different color. That means same application but different user, different color. And more interesting something is user can change his color himself. Like I'm back to Shubham user, yes, and now user can change, like this user, that means Mr. Shubham user is trying to change this his header color. So there's a setup table. He just create a new color, like he want to change his header color, so select header and then as header, then just create. Okay, that means he create a new header color and it's active. So this flag is for active or not active, and for not active, A for active. So this time his header color is active, this one. So if Mr. Shubham just log out and log in, then his color is changed. And again, if he just change the flag of active to like this one is header, so Shubham wants to back his previous color, so he just make it A and apply change and just log out and log in. See, he's back his own color or previous color. So let's see. Right now I am going to show you how actually I developed this feature, and I think it's very easy. You can do it. Here I just disable the option to recreate and show you how I developed this. Okay, uh, and here's my blog. I write down the steps how I did this task. It's very easy, as I said, and I will provide the URL of my blog in the video description. Oh yes, if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel, and if you like my channel, then like the videos, share the videos with your friends. Okay, in the first step I write down there I have to create 3 global items. That means I have to create 3 global items, like here application item, then here are some global items, and I write down here I am going to create these three global items, like AI HDR color, selector color, site color. This name is like is a variable. You can use anything whatever you want. Okay, so let's come to the I don't no need to create again because I have already created these items. And if you have not this, if you have to want to create the item, just write down here the name and just unrestricted and create. It will be created. Okay, and the second step is very interesting something. As we are working with our color template color, so we have to develop our template. So first we have to go this share component. See, here I write down this base template standard for header. Okay, so I'm going to template. Right now I am working for header color change, so going to templates. Yes, templates. Here I search standard, and there's the standard template, paste template. So I'm going to copy the standard template with standard 3. Okay, using standard 3, then just copy this template. Now we are going to modify this template. Here we have to do a little job, that is we have to find out the header options class. So let's find out. I know in our previous video I show you that this one is the header class, and I already write down this here. This one is the header class, and I use this style in our header class. Okay, so let's copy the style and just paste here. Just take a look. I'm going to add this line, just this style. Okay, using this header item. This one is our global item. Okay, so nothing else for header, just save. Okay, here is 3. So now I'm going to where user interface, desktop, then I have to, oh sorry, not for actually here, I have to go somewhere else, that is sheet component, themes, universal themes, scroll just standard. Here I have to select standard 3. Okay, and then apply the change. So we just create a new template by copying our standard template, and then we do a little customization in this template and apply change. Okay, we already did a job for our header. Now we'll do the third option for navigation menu template. So right now we have to go again in template and then search for navigation menu, navigation. Yes, look here, the list navigation menu. Okay, so I'm going to copy this navigation menu to navigation menu 3 and just create a new navigation menu, and I have to do a little customization for navigation menu color change. Okay, let's see where we do this. Here we have to copy paste this style for navigation menu selector. Okay, so we just copy paste the code into here. Okay, let's check as I did previous time. So let's check where we did it in your previous time. I changed this template in previous time, so let's check. See, in list template before rows. Okay, so let's go to list template before rows and copy paste and paste the code, the style. Oh, sorry, my mouse scrolls have little bit of problem. Okay, here I have to copy paste this style. Don't worry, I have all of these codes are given in this blog, in my website blog site, and I will provide the URL of this blog. Then I have to find out this class and have to add this style. Okay, which style? This one. Let's find out the class nav t underscore nav. In our previous video we see uh, what is the class for navigation menu. So we find out this one, and we have to just copy this, only this style into this class. So copy, and here just I'm going to change the style. Okay, then it's done for navigation menu also. So let's save. We did almost 80% task to what to of this job. Now we are come to the final task. Final task is when we are getting login. Now I'm going to the login page, that means this login page, and when we log in the page we will assign the color into those global item. Okay, so let's create a create a process like this, and I have to just create this, as I have copied this for this three global item. So right now we are going to assign three colors, begin, end. Okay, and we have to assign some color code here, then our job will be done. So let's pick some color from here. I already provide this URL. I like this website too much because this is really awesome to create a gradient color. Right now I just copy this code from here and copy, and here I'd like to my header color it's as this color, and also selector color, also side watercolor is like this, and finally I'd like to the selector color is this one. Okay, so let's paste the color. I think our job is almost done. Now when we go login page, like, oh yes, we have to do something else. We are going to log in with Shubham user. So if right now we log in with Shubham user, the color is as simple. Okay, so when we go back, let's copy the code ID and just customize here. If I have to pick the ID, excuse me, pick the username. change if upper just take a look on this code. It's very simple. Then this code will be executed. Okay, then if else there will be show the default color. Oh, if I don't write down if, right? So if upper color is equals to then, and this process will be executed when we press button. Which button? Like never, just this. Okay, right now when I use this code, this Shubon user, his application color is like this. Okay, and if I log in here using another user, so this user will see the default color of this application. And I show you something that we can do it from here, but I think you can realize how I did this. If you can understand, or you thought that you have need to understand this setup table, then please comments below the video. And if you guys do comment in this video, then I will try to my best to show you in the next videos. And okay, that is very simple. Just create a table and do the setup, and just when we use write PLSQL code, select from the data from the table and assign in the global item these values, these color codes user wise. Okay, so again I say, if you can't understand to set up, then just comment here, comment below the video. I will make another video for understanding this setup table. So I think it's very interesting something for you, and I really like this video. So if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel to get more videos, and like and share the videos with your friends. Okay, then goodbye for today. Goodbye.